Hey guys, today we're checking out these Enkei RPF1s. These are 17 by 8, 114.3, 5 bolt, offset 45, SBC finish. That's what they call the special brilliant coating. So I'm going to show you guys the wheel, and I'm going to weigh it. This is what you get. Enkei. Limited warranty. Wheel finish is warranty against defects in material and workmanship for 1 year. Enkei 360 perfect wheels. Wow. Nice. Yeah. I'm glad I went with the SBC finish. Man, I was going through so many different wheels. I was looking at the wheels from Koenig and what's the other brand? OZ Racing. Man, I went through probably 15, 20 different wheels before I decided to get these. So that's what you get. The valve with a Enkei sticker. Wow, super nice, super nice. Matte, that's their manufacturing process. 17 by 8, 45 offset. Racing RPF1 Enkei, size 17 by 8, inspected by Suzuki. It was made on October 20th, 2022. It's got a serial number, made in Japan. I noticed on the other reviews, all the Enkei stickers have the same, inspected by Suzuki. So that's kind of, yeah, ain't no way there's that many Suzukis. See how over here the whole rim is gloss black? This is kind of like gunmetal, and then you have the gloss black again right here. So you can see from here, from the lip, that's when they start to polish. It's all polished here. And then over here is gloss black. From here it's kind of like a bright silver, and from the angle it kind of looks like a bronze, kind of bronze. You see that? From here it's like real shiny. And from here, well, I'll do it slower to let you guys get a good view. So, shiny, 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 okay. Starting to change a little bit. Oh, kind of like a graphite bronze, man. Man, very happy. Alright, let's give it a weight. £16. That's pretty light. The other wheels I was looking at, the Koneiks, the OZ Racing, they were like 22 pounds, 21 pounds, depending on if they're whatever the size, but I'm very happy. 16 pounds. And that's going to take off. Well, I haven't had a chance to weight the factory wheels yet, but I'll do that when I swap these out. But alright, there you go guys. Enkei RPF1 with the SBC finish.